Hi there, our quirky house in the tropics. We've been here nearly 7 years now, and I've shared some lovely pictures onto Facebook, but I've never really taken you a video into our home. So today I'm going to do that. I hope you like it. We like it. Small, but we love it. Come around with me, I'll show you. We named the place the Flowering Man Pad. As you can see, it's a small kitchen, but it's good. It's only two of us. Michael built this house before he met me. But the thing is, he only built 4 walls, a bachelor's pad. So, we separated and made rooms for bedrooms, and put our books and our laundry, and our house is simple but comfortable. We got 4 chairs, but it's only 2 of us. But it's big enough for 2 people, even though I'm saying it's really small. It's not that small, but compared to, you should see some of the houses here in Grenada. But we hope one day to sort of rebuild our house into a much bigger one so people can come over and visit us. Into our bedroom and on our bookshelf. Michael also built his own bed, and we live at slight top of the hill, so we have a lovely scenery and the breeze in here, and we love. This is the veranda. Michael built this bench which below it. It's nice and solid, and this is the scenery I was talking about. And we've got land, we've got bananas, fruits and vegetables. At least you can see the flowers in there, and the breeze in the veranda is we spend most of our time here actually, and we've got a visitor. Wow, it's huge. I think it's what is it? Not for sure.